So Mr. Parkhet, please explain us your invention.
This is a adhesive tape dispenser. In the market, there are various categories of tapes available with variations in various factors, and there is not a single tape dispenser which will useful for all these tapes. Here I have made a simple user-friendly dispenser which is with a cutter plate of 4 cm length, which is mounted on the roller, and it is peeled. While peeling, it moves on the roller, and whatever desired length you want, you can just cut it. And next time, if you want to remove this one, you can easily remove with these notches, and it is ready for next cut. The important thing is this cutter plate has got, you can cut it at any angle, from front side as well as from back side, and it can hold it if you don't need it. You can also protect it from this by covering this version. And this is useful for all types of tapes, only with modification may require for tougher plates this design of serrations, which we can do. And for tougher plates, tapes, we have provided double cutter plates, which will give you a holder and you can cut it straight away. That's all.
Can you show us the thing that you have done for insulation tapes as well?
Oh yeah. Normally electrical tapes are, insulation tapes are very tough. They are of PVC made, and normally they either cut it with scissor or blade, or in India by mouth only. So here I have designed a separate serration for this.
Can you just hold it like that so that we can see the serrations?
Now this cutting is simple. It is so tough, it takes a long time to cut it. And there are variations in tapes for different material, right from paper to leather, and then width of the roller is different, the diameter of roller is different, stickiness is different, thickness is different, toughness is different, and application used in outdoor and indoor is also different. So this cutter plate serves for all the purposes, and it is very simple, manufacturing is simple, and at lowest cost we can provide to common person, common man, and consumers of people.
And the advantage that I see it is that this sits on top of the tape instead of the conventional ones where the tape is fed into the cutter.
Beg your pardon?
Well, this sits on top of the tape, yeah, so it's less bulky.
It is mounted on the plate flexibly.
Yeah.
So as it goes on reducing, it still holds it flexibly. That is the fun of it.
Okay.
And others are all, they are encapsulated.
And
so
do you have a patent for this?
Required.
Do you have a patent for this?
Yeah, I have taken a patent in Mumbai. The patent number is 3144/2011. And being individual inventor and American citizen, I am submitting this for Walmart event. Thank you.